Setting up MetaMask and using UniSwap allows you to interact with decentralized finance ecosystem easily. Here's a step-by-step guide. Install MetaMask. Download and install the MetaMask browser extension from metamask.io or via the mobile app on iOS or Android. Create a new wallet or import an existing wallet using your seed phrase or private key. Ensure you securely store your recovery phrase. Connect MetaMask to UniSwap. Once MetaMask is set up, visit UniSwap in your browser. Click the Connect Wallet button in the top right corner. Select MetaMask from the available options and follow the prompts to connect your wallet. Swap tokens. After connecting MetaMask, go to the Swap section. Select the token you want to swap from the first drop-down and the token you want to receive in the second drop-down. Enter the amount you wish to swap, and UniSwap will show an estimated rate. Review the details, including gas fees, and click Swap. Confirm the transaction in MetaMask by signing it. Provide liquidity. To earn rewards, you can add liquidity by depositing tokens into UniSwap pools. Navigate to the pool section and follow the instructions to provide liquidity. Manage your trades. Track your transactions, view past swaps, and manage liquidity directly from your MetaMask wallet.